Hey everyone, check this out. This is the Gartner BI Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI Platforms 2014 to 2018. Slowing it down a little bit, we're just going to drag this back to 2014. I've only used a few of the players. We can see Tableau and Microsoft there as big players and Click. Moving on to 2015. Strange enough, the vision starts to sort of pull back. SAP is still there with a strong vision, but as we move into 2016, SAP pulls back, so does MicroStrategy, and we get some new players on the scene in the form of Salesforce and Sisense. ThoughtSpot appears in 2017. Salesforce, the vision increases, but not the execution. We've got Tableau and Microsoft really establishing themselves as key players with Click down the in the same quadrant. And then finally, in 2018, the vision for Click has clearly increased. Not quite the ability to execute, but I think these are all very interesting things to watch for 2019. Who's going to be here in 2019? Will Microsoft still claim the top spot? Hope you found this interesting. Whenever I looked at the Gartner report, I did sort of think, well, yeah, what was it like last time, and so on. I think so. Hopefully, this gives you a sense as to what it was like over time. So once more, going through 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. So yeah, I think this visual explains it pretty well. Cheers, guys. Thanks. Bye.